Hello student, I am Dr. Pankaj Goyal. Today I will tell you how to use scientific calculator 991EX for solving the quadratic and cubic equations and how we can find the matrix square, matrix cube, or we can solve the matrix equations or matrix inverse. So first I start from matrix equations, quadratic equations. If you press this menu, we get this one screen. Then go to this, right click this one, and you can see that this one xy equations is written as equation, and that we have to press A, and you can say this minus below this minus, that is written as A with red sign. So take alpha sign and this minus sign, so we get this equation. And we want to solve the polynomial means written as 1 or 2. So for polynomial 2, simultaneous equation 1, so I take 2. Now it's asking degree. Let us suppose first I take the quadratic equations. That is a quadratic equation. If we put the value of ABC, we get the solutions of this one. Let us suppose I take the equation lambda square. So I take this first coefficient is 1, then press equal to, then plus 7 lambda. So then plus 7 equal to, and then I take plus 6. Plus 6, this one. This is the equation, right? So x square plus 7x plus 6 equal to 0. When I press this one, we get the first solution is minus 1 and second solution is minus 6. If second solution is not there, in that case we will take the repeated solution. That means first one will be repeat. Clear? Now I take this cubic equations, right? For this cubic equations, again we go to the same procedure. This one, polynomial 2. Now take the degree 3. I take this cubic equations, okay? And cubic equation, I take some cubic equation as, let us suppose I take this one as lambda cube, so that means coefficient is 1 equal to, and this is 5 minus 5 lambda square, minus 5 equal to, and this is plus 8 lambda, so plus 8 equal to, and then minus 4 equal to. So this is the equation, right? Lambda cube, that is x cube minus 5x square plus 8x minus 4 equal to 0. If I press from here equal to, so we get the first solution is 1, x1 equal to 1. Again I press equal to, we get 2, and then we get the equations. That means the last root will be repeat, so we will say solution is 1, 2, 2. Okay, solution will be 1, 2, 2. Again I take the other equation as lambda cube minus 3 lambda square, let us suppose, minus 3 lambda square plus 3 lambda plus 3 lambda minus 1 and minus of 1, this one. If I press equal to, so we get this equal to x equal to 1. If I press again, so we get the equations. So that means this root 1 will repeat 3 times because degree is 3. So by this you can solve the quadratic and cubic equations, right? Now we come to the matrix. Now go to the previous one, we go this one. Matrix is at 4. This is written as matrix, so press 4. We get matrix A, define matrix A, B, C, D. We can store 4 matrix in this calculator. So let us suppose I take the matrix A. For matrix A, I press 1. This is number of row, let us suppose 3. Number of column is 3. We get this. So store the matrix here 1. Let us suppose element is 2 and this is 3, and I can take this 2 and this is 4, and this element is, let us suppose, 5, this is 3, this is 5, and this is 6. We get this one, right? Then press AC, this matrix will store. Okay. Again, we go to this one as option. There is edit matrix, matrix A, B, C, D. So define matrix. I take this one, I define matrix. Now I define matrix B as identity matrix. So press 2. It will take this 3, 3. Then element is 1. Then I take this one element, this. I take the identity matrix. So 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Then I press this below and this one. So I store this identity matrix in matrix B. Okay, press this one. Again go to this one as option, OPTN, option. Option will give the matrix. Now I can take matrix 3. Matrix A means by 3. Take 3. If I want to find out the square of this matrix, we'll take this x square. This one. This is the matrix A square. You can check the matrix A square is 14, 25, 31, 25, 45, 56, 31, 56, 70. Similarly, you can find out the cube. So for cube again, go to this option, the matrix 3, and I want to cube means this below this x square. So take shift and this cube equal to, so we get the cubic matrix. Cube on this one like this. Okay. Similarly, you can find the A inverse. So again take matrix this 3, A inverse. You can take x inverse. Where is x inverse? You can check in your calculator and take this x inverse, this one, and equal to, and if you press this equal to, that is A inverse. You can check 1 minus 3, 2 minus 3, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 0. So you can check the answer of A inverse by your calculator. If you are solving by the row transformation or by other one, then you can check the answer by this one, right? You can also solve the matrix equations. Let us suppose I have the matrix equation as I take the matrix this 3. So first I take this minus of 1. This one is, let us suppose, minus a square. So 4 minus a square, go to option, this 3 matrix square, take this square, matrix minus of a square plus 11a. So I take this plus sign 11 and then a by this option again, go to option, this one, and this 3, this is 11a plus 4i, plus 4i. I we store in matrix B, right? So again go to this matrix B is 4, this one, okay, and equal to. So by this you can find the A inverse. If I say inverse is minus a square plus 11a plus 4i. This is the answer of this one. 1 minus 3 2 minus 3 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 0. So like this we can solve the A inverse, right? By using this calculator, scientific calculator, and this series is 991EX. So you can use the calculator in your calculations, okay? And if you like my video, then subscribe my channel Dr. Pankaj Goel, GOEL, okay? And you can use my channel for your engineering mathematics 1 2 or 3 by playlist. All the videos are there, and if you want any other video, you can request to me, and I will make the new video. Okay, thank you very much.